Lakhipuronline puthokjaba October ki tang nipan thangja numit ki Khomjinba Pao tabirasi. Ahanbada maruiba Pao numit humni chubna hojaida chathagadaba 36 suba Assam State Thangta Championship 2022 hawdokre. Class 5 amadi Class 8 ki chahi ki parikha da fail oirabadi mathangi class da promotion pibagi chanabi leiraroi. Aikoina lamdamasi damak kari kari tauram sige haina kanthabagi matam oire haina Manipur gi CM Nongthoma Birena phongdokre amasung Chandam Inunganbi Memorial Football Tournament ta PYC Faitol na champion atuga Young Sinlung Club Kalinagar na runners up takre. Haujik mapung oiba pau tabirase. Hojai District Thangta Association silangduna numit humni chupna Manipuri Sahitya Parishad Bhavan Hojaida Chathagadaba 36 suba Assam State Thangta Championship 2022 ngarang irai numit October gi tang 3 ta World Thangta Federation gi President Oja Huidrom Prem Kumar na maira chukatuna thorum hodokre. Assam Thangta Association gi President W Binoy Kumar na Association gi Firal Chingkat ki amadi Thangta gi lamda saknairaba Lakhidraba Guru R.K. Sanahal Assam Thangta gi VP oiramba M Baba Singha amadi Umakanta Sarma gi mafamda ikai khumnaba utpagaloinana minute ama tumina leiduna taibong mapuda thongni jakhi. Haudokpagi thoramda Hojai gi MLA Ram Krishna Ghosh amadi MDC gi chairperson M Rina Singhana mathang sitna chief guest amadi special guest oina saruk jakhi. Ahanba numit ki sanabagi thoramda Kasar jila gi sanaroi singna gold 13 silver mari aduga bronze medal taruk phanglakre haina Kasar District Thangta Association gi president KH Buddhachandra na khangalakli. Class 5 amadi Class 8 ki chahi gi parikha da fail oirabadi mathangi class ta promotion pibagi chanabi leiraroi. Wafam asi ngarang Assam gi State Cabinet ki mifamda waripna khibani. Wafam asi gi matangda Assam gi mahi masing gi mantri Sri Ranos Beguna hai Class 5 amadi Class 8 ki chahi gi parikha kariguma pass tawba ngamdrabadi mathangi class ta promotion piraroi. Fail oiba singda tha ani gi manungda special exam ama thanana bagi khutongchaba pigani. Oja sing na makhoida remedial class tawbina bahari karigumba special exam asidasu pass tawba ngamdrabadi class atuda hanjina tamgadabani haina mantri na haike pass fail leitabana lower primary gi thakta mahi gi lamdangda sukchin ba helakpani haibagi thajaba leibana leinga kasina mamang thabada chanaramba system adu amuk pusilakpani haina mahakna makata ki Laingak na aikoida kari kari piri bagi haina khanbagi mahuta aikoina lamdamasigi damak kari kari tauramsigi haina khantabagi matam oire haina Manipur gi CM Nongthoma Birena phongdokre waphamasi mahakna ngarang Imphal gi City Convention Center da North East Leader Connect na sinduna pangthokiba nipan suba Young Leaders Connection gi thoramda phongdokibani awang nongpokta leiriba rajya singna thong manana chakot minasi hairabadi aikoina lengaktagi kari kari phangkre haina khanbagi mahuta aikoina lamdamasigi kari kari tawkre haibadu khangwa mathau tai haina mahakna haiki thauramda saruk yakiba Arunachal Pradesh ki CM Pema Khanduna laibak asigi selthumgi pibam asi trillion manga yohanna bapandam thamliba asida awang nongpokki lamdamasina kari karamba mityeng changani haibagi matangda khanthabagi matam oire haiki Thauramda MP Gaurav Gogoi Bharat ki football ki saknairaba Baichung Bhutia Manipur ki mahima singgi mantri Thongnaujam Basant Kumar na chingba masaknai pamiyoi kayana saruk yakhi.
So in order to understand where we stand, let's look into the few basic statistics of our Northeast. We have 8% of our country's geographical area with 4% of country's population, home to over 45 million people, However, our contribution is just 3% of national GDP. We produce just 1.5% of India's total food grain production. Given a huge potential, it is really surprising that the region gets only 0.5% domestic tourists and only 0.8 foreign tourists. Our share of industrial output is just 3% of the country's, and our exports are only 0.2% of India's total export.
Be the main driver in the time to come. As the Northeast is geographically challenged, we have no ports to speak of. We have no access to the sea, like Singapore or Hong Kong or Mumbai, for that matter. With physical infrastructure, like roads and highways and railways, being less than adequate, to say the least, the future of Northeast may lie in IT-enabled services. For instance, the latest trends of digital nomads, which I'm sure the young people seated in the audience will all know and must have heard of, who are people who work from home in far-off places, using technology and the internet, could be leveraged by the NER, which has tremendous potential for tourism also, to say the least.
Collecting and remembering the past, what we are facing in the entire Northeast. Just whole Northeast, we are facing the insurgency problems widely, which is very much affected in many parts, mainly in tourism industries, and particularly taking the advantage of today's conclave, I want to appeal to the people of the entire Northeast, including our Manipuri peoples, Manipur state peoples, that in our mindset, one idea has been adopted on regular basis, that what the nation, what the center or what the state has given to us. We never think about what, as a citizen, as a man, as a person, what I have contributed for the state or for the nation. No one thought it. No one.
Chandam Inunganbi Memorial Mini Boys Chahi Taramde Makhagi Football Tournament ki October ki tang taret irai nimita sanakiba final match ta PYC Faidolna Young Sinlung Club Kalinagar bu Panjal ahum ani damai thiba pikre mamang thagi tarani thoidagi Jiribam Higher Secondary School gi sanabungda All Jiribam Sports Association asinduna chatharakliba football tournament asida PYC Faidolna champion aduga Young Sinlung Club Kalinagorna runners up taki final match asida Jiribam Olympic Association ki president L Ranjit Kumar Singh All Jiribam Sports Association ki President M. Brajakanta Singh, Tournament ki donor C.H. Biren Singh na Chief Guest, President amadi Guest of Honor oina sarukjaki, loinana Champion amadi Runners Up taraba Team Singh da manamathum yentokhi. Ningsing bayai tournament asi Dibong da leiba Chandam Biren Singh agi machanupi ki mingda kachaba tournament ni. Aroibada Maroiba Pao Mukhanna Numit Humni Chubna Hozai da Chathagadaba Tarataruk Suba Sam State Thangta Championship 2022 Hogdokre क्लास 5 अमदी क्लास 8 की चाही की परीक्षा दा फेल ओइरबदी मथंगी क्लास दा प्रमोशन पीबगी चनाबी लेररोय अखोइना लमदम असिगी दमक करी करी तौरम सिगे हाइना खंथबगी मतम ओइरे हाइना मणिपुर की सीएम नोंथोम बिरेना फोंदोखरे अमसुंग चांदम इनुंगानबी मेमोरियल फुटबॉल टूर्नामेंट PYC फाइटोलना चैंपियन अतुगा यंग सिनलुंग क्लब कालीनगरना रनर्स अप ताखरे लखीपुर ऑनलाइन YouTube चैनल की खोमजिनबा पाव संदोकजबा ngasi gi oinadi matang asida loijare।